Good evening, Professor. My name is Gianni Macchio, and today I will be presenting to you the Fin Strike Shad elevator pitch. So, there are some days on the water where you can just not buy a fish, but then you look over to your right and you see the guy next to you pulling up your PB bass. Bad luck, I guess, right? No, you're just not matching the hatch correctly. Say goodbye to the days of getting skunked or a bluefish cutting your $15 lure in half with ease and leaving you nothing left but with disappointment. Today, I present to you the do-it-all fishing lure, the premium soft plastic fin strike shad. With so much versatility and durability, the fin strike shad can turn a slow day of fishing into an epic day on the water. With three distinct presentations and over 8 different colorways, the fin strike shad can match just about anything that the predator fish are feeding on, while getting multiple uses out of each shad. I have partnered with the team at J&H Tackle located in Oakdale, Long Island, and I've gone through 2 prototypes and multiple underwater videos and testing to finally get the final product that we have in front of us today. And we can confidently say that this lure is a top of the line premium soft plastic that is a must to have for fishermen in their tackle box. While testing the 2 prototypes that we have created, the Fin Strike Shad has achieved what some may call do-it-all status. While on the water using these lures, testers have caught a variety of fish such as lake trout, brown trout, weakfish, gray trout, redfish, small striped bass, and flounder, and also some really tasty reef species. So, fishermen and women, are you ready to transcend your fishing lure arsenal to the next level? We can wholeheartedly assure you that once you get one of these shads in your hand, it will be tough to put down. Thanks for listening and have a great day.